Fifth one, what is asked here? They are asking you to find the cost price. Okay, article which is sold at a profit percentage is 16.2/3%, and the selling price given is 280. Okay, so profit percentage 16 into 3 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50/3%. I'm going to remove it. So this becomes 1/100. This becomes 2. Becomes 1/6 is the ratio. Now in this ratio, so this becomes your profit. This becomes your cost price. If cost price is 6 ratio, profit is 1 ratio, selling price is going to be 7 ratio. And here selling price value is given. That is nothing but 280. If 7 are equal to 280, what is 1 R? Many people are getting confused here. I don't know for what purpose. So it is going to be cross multiplication. That's all. In order to find this question mark, you need to cross multiply. 1 into 280 divided by 7. So 280 divided by 7 will give you 1 R equal to 40. Right? 1 R equal to 40. If 1 R equal to 40, what is 6 R we need to find out. 6 into 40 is going to give me 240. This is the answer. Clear? Step by step. Clear? No mistake should be done. I'll give a actual random problem. Everyone should do it properly. Okay? Okay. Now, sixth one. Find the cost price again. Article which is sold at rupees 560. So selling price is 560. And loss. Here it is a loss. It is not profit. 2 divided by 3%. So start playing around with the loss. So it becomes 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 divided by 3 into 1 divided by 100. So this becomes 25 times. It becomes 1/15. If this is 1/15, this becomes your loss. This becomes your cost price. Okay, this becomes your cost price. So now, cost price is 15 ratio. Loss is 1 ratio. Fine. Loss is 1 ratio. What is the selling price then? What selling price? Cost price minus loss. That is nothing but 14R. Clear? 14R. Now they are given the value for selling price. So 14R equal to 560. So what does 1R equal to? 14. 4 times 40. So 1R equal to 40. If 1R is 40, they are asking me to find out cost price. So cost price is going to be 15R. So cost price is going to be 15 into 40. That's nothing but 600. 15 4s are 60. Add additional 0 becomes 600. Clear? Online? All clear? All till sixth one? Clear? Understood? You people? Vishnu? Surya? Okay. Seventh one. They're asking me to again find out the cost price, which is sold at, means selling price is given rupees 6,400. Loss percentage is 33. 1 divided by 3%. So start from here again. So it becomes 33 into 3 is 99. 99 plus 1 is 100. So it becomes 100/3 into 1 divided by 100. So it becomes 1/3 as the ratio. If 1/3 is the ratio, this is loss. This is cost price. So cost price ratio is 3R. Loss ratio is 1R. Fine. Now selling price becomes 2R. Cost price minus loss 2R. So selling price value is given as 6,400. So what is single R value? 3,200. This becomes single R value. If single R value is 3,200, what is cost price? Cost price equal to 3R. That is nothing but 3,200 into 3. That is nothing but 9,006. Fine. All clear till here. This is the first set of problems, or the first type of problem. First type of problems. One or a single problem you will get for sure. First type. This is clear. Fine. But still, if you're having doubts, just clear it out. Okay. Okay. From the second set, just read the question and tell me how do you start approaching it, or what do you think is the perfect approach for it. Cost price of 6 articles is equal to cost price of 6 articles is equal to selling price of 4 articles. Selling price of 4 articles. Find whether it is a profit or loss percentage. Here they have not given you what percentage is loss, what percentage is profit, what is the cost price, what is the selling price. Nothing is given. They have just given you some ratios. You need to start figuring out from there. How will you do it? Upcoming, all the questions are going to be the same type until which question? Until question number 13. All are going to be same. Right. Okay. Then. Okay. What do you think is happening over here? Is it a profit or is it a loss? Profit. Okay. Profit means what's the percentage of profit? Okay. Let us assume it is a profit. What's the percentage of profit? What is the profit percentage that you tell me? Formula or limit. If you are telling this 8th question is a profit, what is the profit percentage? Value tell me. Yes, the loss. Okay. Let it be profit. Let it be loss. Tell me the answer. They are asking you to find out the profit percentage or the loss percentage. What is the profit percent? What is the loss percent?
Yes, sir, done. It is a profit.
What percent? 25, I guess. Okay. And Priyanka, what about you? Okay. Okay. All observe. All observe. Now, if I am buying a product at 100 and I'm selling it at 120, it's a profit. If I'm selling it at 80, it's a loss. Fine. So now you also know how to calculate for profit percentage. That is nothing but profit divided by CP into 100 is profit percentage. Loss divided by CP into 100 is the loss percentage. Fine. And your formula for calculating profit is going to be selling price minus cost price. And a formula for calculating loss is going to be cost price minus selling. Fine. In this case, is selling price greater than cost price? Yes. In this case, selling price is lesser than cost price? Yes. 100% sure? All are sure? Okay. And you know that it is dependent on your cost price. Anything, let it be profit, let it be loss, is depend on your cost price. Now, what is the question asked? Cost price of 6 articles. I do not know what is the cost price, but they're giving 6 articles is equal to, okay, let me write. Cost price of 6 articles is equal to selling price of 4 articles. This is selling price of 4 articles. Is this equation correct? Correct. Okay, 4 articles. Find whether it is a profit or a loss. That's all. Now, if you do it in the ratio form, what happens? Cost price by selling price equal to 4 by 6. So cost price ratio is 4 and selling price ratio is 6. So if selling price is greater than cost price, what did you tell? Profit. Here is the selling price greater than? Yes, it's greater. So it is a profit. Okay, your first step is done. It's a profit. Understood till here, everyone? Profit. Now you need to find out the percentage. What is the profit percentage? Right? Now, how do you calculate profit? How do you calculate profit? Selling price and cost price is given. How do you calculate profit? So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. That is going to be 2. How do you calculate profit percentage? Profit divided by what is CP here? 4 into 100. It's going to be 50%. Easy. Understood? More step by step you want. All clear? Noted. Note. This is the second type of problem. What you can get in profit loss. Everything the basic formula only. Nothing changes. Only play around with ratios. Copy it. Done. Okay. Now